Fine. See, in last class, we started the array concept and we discussed some array related problems. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to cover the remaining functions related to array concept. Okay, that array concept, some other functions. Remaining functions we are going to discuss now. Okay, fine. Push, pop, shift, unshift. So these are the functions which already we discussed. So these are very, very important because while working with the projects in React.js, so we are getting the data from database. Yes, we're getting the data from database. So in this point of view, when we are getting the data from database, so those records are coming in the form of array of objects. Those records are coming in the form of array of objects. Yes. You want to add new records or delete the existing records like that. In that point of view, we are taking the support of this push pop, shift, unshift, all those things. Okay, yes. Now, see, I'm going to use this next function. Yeah. So yesterday we created this program. Fine. Now, slice using this function, we can get some part of array. Slice is the function. The main purpose is, okay, yeah. This function we are using to get some parts of array. Now, script open tag where AR eligible for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like now, where new ARR is equal to ARR dot slice 2 comma 4 I have given. New ARR is equal to ARR dot slash 2 comma 4. Now this is the index number 0, 1 and 2. From this index 4 minus 2 elements. Okay. Means 2 elements we are getting. Let n ARR. Yes. So I'm going to do that new array. Got it. Now see, first argument is the index number from where you want to get the elements. Next argument is the remaining 4 minus 2. What is the output of this? So 2 is the output. Okay, yes. What is 4 minus 2? That is 2. Means 2 elements from index number 2. So this is 0, 1 and 2. From here, I am getting the 2 elements. Okay. So that is the concept. Now, first PROC dot HTML. Okay. Right click, open with Yes, it display the output. So 30 and 40. This is the output which I'm getting now. You got it. For example, 2 comma 5 hands. Yes. So can you tell me what is the output now? Can you tell me what the output? Yes. From index number 2, well, how many records we are getting? 5 minus 2 records. Okay. Yes. So 5 minus 2 means what the value? 3. 3 is the output, means 3 elements, not records, sorry, elements, 3 elements. So this is index number 0, 1, and 2. From here, I'm getting the 3 elements. Now refresh 30, 40, 50. Like that. Yes, that's the correct answer. So 30, 40, 50. This is about slice function. Is it clear? Slice we are using for what? To get some part of array. Yes. So 1 comma 5, if I give 1 comma 5, then what is the output of this? Hmm? What is the output of this? 1 comma 5. Yes. 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 0, 1. From here, 40, 50. So this is the output which we are getting now. Okay. This is about slice function. Okay. Yes. So copy and paste this place. Using this function, we can add or remove the element of based on specific index. Yes. So what is this? Splice. So till now we discussed how to remove the first element and how to add first element, and the last element how to remove and how to add the last element. Those things we discussed. Okay. Now you want to add or remove the element based on the specific index. Then we are using splice. Okay. Yes. So splice we are using now. ARR dot splice. I'm using here 2 comma 4. At 2 comma 1 I have given. Yes. Observe this. From index number 2, I'm removing one element. If you observe here, this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. From index number 2, we are removing one element. So that is about splice. Yes, yeah. Now alert NARR. Now refresh. What the output we got? That is the output. Now refresh. Two elements it is removed. 30, 40. Refresh. 30, 40, 50. Refresh. 20, 30, 40. Yes. So it is removing the elements based on the index number and total number of elements. Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah. So that is the concept of this. So now this is the index number and this is how many elements you want to remove. So 3, 3 I have given. What is the output you're expecting? Tell me. Yes, 3, 3. Yeah. Very good. 40, 50, 60. Because index number 3, if you observe here, 1, 2, 8. Sorry, 0, 1, and this is 2. After that, this is 3. So total how many elements? 3 elements will get. So it will remove the 3 elements. Okay. Got it. 40, 50, 60. It will remove these 3 elements. Now if I refresh the remaining, so these 3 elements, it is removed. Okay. And here the removed values, it is storing in variable new ARR. If I use alert ARR, original array I'm displaying here. So I have given alert ARR, original array. Then what is the output of this? Yeah. So this is 10, 20, 30 we have. Is it clear? Alert ARR I have given. The output is 10, 20, 30. Right. What is the concept of this? Okay.
For the add actually, to add the elements, you will be
Yes.
forwarding
Now
the
here,
elements.
how to add the elements. So for example, 3, 2 I have given. Okay. 2 elements it will remove. Then triple 1, triple 2, triple 3. Okay. So means I'm adding 3 elements where after index number 3, we are removing 2 elements and adding 3 elements. Yes. Refresh. So now you can see 10, 20, 30, triple 1, triple 2, triple 3, and this is 60. Is it clear? Yes.
So still I have doubts. After removing the elements only we can add, or directly also we can add the elements.
Without removing the element, then second argument should be 0.
Okay, okay. So basically
Okay.
we have to give the number of elements there actually as argument.
Yeah. Second argument should be 0. Then in the index number 3. So if I refresh, nothing is the output. Okay. So here, previous one second. So save this. It is not saved. Okay, now save and refresh. So return values are nothing because we are not removing anything, right? And if you observe this array, so here you can see 10, 20, 30, 111, 222, 333. After that, the rest of the elements 40, 50, 60, like that. Is it clear? Yes.
Yeah.
So that is the concept. This is about splice. Yes. So splice we are using to remove and also to add the elements. Okay. Fine. Now in your node file, I'm copying this. Yeah. So yesterday class we started this JavaScript. Okay. And to learn the React.js, JavaScript is very important. So this is the fourth class. In beginning two demo classes, just I've given the idea what is React.js, that brief idea. So some basic introduction I've given. Okay. Yes. Now after that we started JavaScript. Okay. Yes. So that JavaScript is very, very important for us. Without knowledge on JavaScript, we can't work with this React.js. Okay. So that is the concept. Yeah. Pushpa, which position it will add? Okay. I I did not get your point, Pushpa. Can you? Okay. Yeah. You understand this? You want to ask any more about?
Here, after
Yeah.
0, you're adding some elements, right? So
Yeah.
it won't remove, and where it will add this remaining 111, 222, 333.
What is this three? That is index number, right?
Starting index.
Now this is 0, 1, 2, 3. After that, it will add 111, 222, 333. Okay.
The starting position for the add and remove is same.
This is the position from where you want to perform the add and remove operation. Okay. So this is how many elements you want to remove. And after that, the elements which you want to add. So that is the concept of this. Okay. Yes. Now see this output also. Here we have 10, 20, 30, 111, 222, 333. Like that, you got this. Okay. Yes. So I hope you understand now. Right? Yes. So any other doubts you have?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, the next thing is how to work with looping statements. Okay. Yes. How to work with that looping statements. Now, for it, using this, we can run a loop through the elements of array, and it holds index of elements. Yes. Using this, we can run a loop to the elements of array, and it holds index of elements. Yes. Now here, for where x in ARR. Okay, I have given where x in ARR. What is the meaning of this? So this is one variable, x is one variable, or I, something. Okay. So we are running a loop through this array, ARR. Okay, so ARR contains how many elements? Around 6 elements it contains. Okay, running a loop through these 6 elements. And index number we are storing in the variable I. Now here, I let I. So what is I? First time it is 0, next time 1, next time 2, like that. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now save it and refresh this. So you can see. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting the index numbers. Yes, yeah. What the result if I use ARR of I? Yes, what the result?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Yeah, so ARR of 0 first time, ARR of 0 is nothing but 10. Next time ARR of 1, that is 20. Next time ARR of 2, 30. Next 40, 50, 60 like. So this is 10. Okay. This is 20. Like that, we are getting this output. Okay. So this is about for same as for but holds the value of element. Yes. So for of it is same as for in, but it holds the value of element. Yes. Yeah. Now I'm using I of ARR. For where? I of ARR. Refresh it. So that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like that. Is it clear? Yes. So this is about for R. Yes. So foreign returns the index, it holds the index. For of holds value. Yes. Now copy this and paste. Next one. For each. Yes. What is for each? Nothing is there. It is combination of previous two functions. So to run a loop through the elements of array and holds the index and values. Okay. To run a loop through the elements of array and holds index and values. Both it is holding. Okay. Yes. So we need to pass a function as argument. Okay. In for each. I will show you that. Yes. So we are passing a function as argument in for each. So that is the concept of this. What is that? Okay, now script open tag. Script closing time. ARR is 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. I've given lines. Now ARR dot for each. So ARR dot for each. There we are passing one function. So functions concept I will start shortly, but directly I'm using the function here. Okay. Yes. So actually this is called as anonymous function and we are passing as callback, but you are very new for this anonymous and callback. Okay. I will, after this arrays concept, we will discuss the types of functions. But anyhow, on demand, I need to use this syntax. That's why. So just we are passing one function within the for each. Inside this function, just I'm taking, okay, yes, x comma y. What is this x comma y? Yes, this for each running a loop through the elements of array, and every element contains index and value. Index is storing in one variable, value is storing in another variable. Now here I am using let x, let y. Okay. Now here x is 10 and y is 0 first time. X is 20, y is 1. X is 30 and y is 2. X is 40, y is 3. 50, y is 4. Okay, like. So I will write console.log. Okay, instead of alert, we can also display results in console. So how can I display console.log? X comma y. Okay, both I'm printing. The console.log x comma y. Now, if you observe this, refresh, right click, inspect, and go to the console. So we have 10, 0, 21, 32, like that, 43. First element, this is the first element. What the value of first element? 10. What the index of this? 0. And second element value is 20. Index is 1. Okay, yes. Like the third element value is 30, index is 2. Fourth element 40. Like that we have these elements. Is it clear? This is about for each. Yes. So is this clear? Any questions? Okay. So we discussed about for in. Next we discussed about for of and for each. So for each these three reads each and every element of array. Yes. So you want to traverse through the elements of array. You want to traverse through the elements of array, then we can use for each, for of. So for in holds the index. Okay. For of holds the value, and for each holds both index and value. And we are executing one function inside this like that. Yes. This is the concept of this. Is this clear? Next. Map. Yes. It is same as for each, but map returns values. Okay. Yeah. What is this map? Same as for each, but it returns the values. What are the values it returns? Okay. Total number of values are equal to total number of elements. Remember this. In a definite question, okay, compulsory question. What is the difference between for each and map? Okay, yes. So for each doesn't return any values, but map returns the values. Okay, yes. Total number of return values are equal to the total number of elements. Now ARR dot map. So there we have one function. In this function, we have x and y. Okay, now if I refresh, same result you're getting. So 10, 0, and 21. Okay, so 32, like that. 43, like that. We have this one. Okay, now here I'm using a return x plus y. Yeah, so we can use the return statement. Okay, so that I'm storing in variable NARR is equal to. So I'm commenting this console to show you only the return values. So already I discussed this concept in last session. So if map returns, not map, if any function returns values, those values we're storing in a variable. Okay, now here console.log NARR. So I have taken this variable. Now, what is the result of NARR? Yes, it is array. How many times this loop runs? Okay, that number of elements it returns. So 5 times it runs here. 5 elements it returns. First time 10 plus 0. Next time 20 plus 1. Next time 30 plus 2. Next time 40 plus 3. And next time 50 plus 4. Okay. Now, refresh. You can see 5 elements we got in the form of array. So every element contains the index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the index. And values are 10. 10 plus 0, that is 10. Next time 20 plus 1, 21. Next time 30 plus 2, 32. Next time 40 plus 3, 43. And next time 50 plus 4, 54. Like that. Is this clear? Yes. Now I am using for each. Okay. Now refresh undefined. For each doesn't return any values, but map returns the values. Yes. So that is the difference. Copy and paste. Now filter. Okay. Yes. Yes. What is that? Filter. It is same as map, but returns truth values. Okay. So just very, very important in entry point of view. What filter returns? Filter returns the truth values. Truth means what is that? Based on the condition. Based on the condition, it returns the values. Whether the condition satisfies, then only it returns the values. Otherwise, it won't return the values. That is about the filter. Yes. Now, in this, yes, ARR dot filter on function I create. Yes. So ARR dot filter, I have taken a function. Inside this function, what I am doing here, so x comma y or simple x. X holds what? Value. Now here a return x greater than 30. Where x is greater than 30, okay, then that value it returns here. Is it clear? Yes. First time, what is this? 10. 10 greater than 30. True or false? 10 greater than 30. Is it true or false? It is false. 20 greater than 30. False. 30 greater than 30. False. 40 greater than 30. That is true. 50 greater than 30. True. So where an ARR is equal to. Okay, now here console.log an ARR are given like this. So here we are displaying that console message and ARR. Okay. Now refresh it. So what is the output we got? 40 and 50. Okay. 1 second. Yes, the output is 40 and 50. Like that, we got this message. Okay. Yes. So output is 40 and 50. Like that. Yes. So in case instead of filter, if I use map, okay, map. What the result of this? So map returns how many elements? Yes, it returns 5 elements. 1 second. console.log and ARR. So I have given this map function. Yes, this is map. What this map here? Yes. So it returns x greater than 30. First time x is 10. 10 greater than 30. Condition is true or false. Condition is false. Yes. 10 greater than 30. That is false. Next time 20 greater than 30, false. Next time 30 greater than 30, false. Next time 40 greater than 30, false. Sorry, true. And 50 greater than 30, that is true. Now if I refresh here, so now you are getting the output like false, 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 and true, true, like that. Yes, this is the output. Is it clear? So that is the difference between map and filter. Map returns the truth values, but filter, so based on the elements, how many elements we have, okay? Based on those elements, it returns the values. So that is the main difference between these two. Yes. So any doubts, any other questions in this concept? Yeah. So next one, we need to discuss few more functions, but so still demo link is going on. Already told you demo classes. I'm taking 45 to 50 minutes. After that, 1 hour session. Maybe today is the last demo, I think. Okay, so if today is last demo, then link will change from tomorrow onwards. So you want to continue, then better join with these sessions. Okay. Then you will get the regular class link. Okay. But I'm not sure whether this is the last demo or not. Okay. So management people will contact you and they will let you know that this is last demo. Okay. Yes. So in next class, I will discuss the remaining functions. After that, I will start what are events we are using and how to work with the events concept. That I will discuss in the next class. Okay, fine. So any other questions you have, you can ask me. No doubts, no questions. Okay, got one message. Okay, notes. Yeah, I will paste these notes in the chat window. 1 second, because still this is demo one. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah, you got the 1 second. One message you got. I will send you one more message. Yeah. And wait, one more message. Still some pending is there. Yes. Now check out this. Got the messages. So once this link change, okay, then I will provide you the drive access. Okay. Fine. So see you in tomorrow class. You can drop now. Thank you.